Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPAQ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, and today the chart's definitely not ruined. So let me take a step back. Overall, everything is still perfectly fine. I mean, you look at the trend of this thing, but all I'm talking about is in the near term, things are looking a little bit shaky because the price has now actually broken down below that green line there. But I really want to emphasize near term is what I mean when I say shaky. But from the grand scheme of things, you can see the overall trend is still putting in higher highs and higher lows. So that is really the main focal point that I want to talk about here, because in all actuality, and this is where things get a little tricky because it depends on perspective. What do I mean by that? Well, let me actually just get these lines out of here. Because if you're a day trader, so let's say your perspective is that of a day trader. You bought right there, or you bought right there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 7 minutes. Well, then from that angle, the chart looks terrible. Now, if you care about the bigger picture point of view, I get it. From the highs, there's been a bigger pullback. But from the grand scheme of things, the price still has plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So what do I mean by that? And I'm not saying at all this is what's going to happen, but just for explanation's sake, let's say that the price comes down there to 16.25. Again, not saying it'll happen, but price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have emphasis on big picture? Well, from the big picture, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have lows there, lows down here. And if you envision each one of those as stair-steps, what do you have from the big picture? Well, big picture-wise, you'd still very clearly have stair-steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. Again, I realize if you're a day trader and you bought up there, you don't care about these stair-steps. So that's why I try to offer up a warning that I'd be commenting more so from the big picture point of view. So sure, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word, today. As in one day, looking at multiple days as we're doing here, you can see the price still has plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher low. So let's see if the price can get that job done or not moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.